Hey up, it's Wayne Walker here from Wayne Walker Quality Meats, and have we got some deals for you today. First of all, we're going to start off with the beautiful grade A fresh chicken fillets. You've got the biggest box full you've ever seen, 4 kilos on weight. Look at them for fresh grade A chicken fillets, whole and trimmed, absolutely gorgeous. You're looking double the size of the supermarkets, every single breast, a proper meal. You're looking at 36 quid's worth for 20 quid. And we've got the selected sirloin steak. Now this again is restaurant portion, restaurant quality. You would pay up to £5 a slice for these. Look at this, nice little 7 to 8 ounce steaks. There you go, 1 kilo in weight there. We're going to say 20 quid's worth. Look at the quality for the 5 steaks. We go in a tenner. Now get this in the freezer, it's better than having money in the bank. And I don't know what that's like because I've got none. But I'm telling you, this is good quality. So get it on your plate. And then we're going to move on to the pork steaks. Now these are real good value for money at the moment. They're fresh, they're boneless, and there's no waste, no bone, and no rind. Nice thick cut. Look at the quality of them. Absolutely gorgeous. On the scales, or as I'm saying on the scales, I haven't got the scales here, they're all pre-weighed. You're looking at over £6 in weight in old money. That is a lot of pork for a tenner. I would say you've got close on 20 quid's worth for a tenner. Your recommended retail price, about 20 quid in the supermarkets. We're doing it in bulk buying for a tenner. That is very, very good value for money. And while we're on the pork as well, we also do a different selection of the wonderful English Bally pork. Really good. Very, very popular now, the Bally pork. We do that at £5 a tray, all sliced for you. You've got about 6 or 7 slices there for £5. Or if you want it as a joint, a lot of the chefs seem to be doing this now. We do the joint like that for £5. So we've got a little bit of a selection on the pork. And we also do great big legs of pork as well. You get a big half leg of pork, over £10 in weight, and we're doing it between 10 and 12 quid. It's £1 a pound. We weren't selling pork this cheap 20 years ago. So this is real. If you want value for money and you do feel a bit porky, a bit like me, I'm telling you, pork is good value for money. So get it in your freezer why it's so cheap. And we're showing you the Black Angus selected Aberdeen black beef. Now this is very, very good, this one. We do different size joints going from 8 up to 15 up to 20 quid. If you don't see the size that you want in the shops, just ask our butcher and he'll cut it to what size. So if you're having a party, this is what you want. This will melt in your mouth like one of my kisses. It's grain fed, so there's a little touch of fat in it and it just cooks away. It really is a little bit special. It's about 7 quid a kilo. If you were to go in the butcher's shops, you'd probably pay 12, 14 quid a kilo for this quality. The only reason we keep the prices so low is that we buy in bulk and we sell in bulk. And because we buy pallets and pallets and pallets, it means that we can pass the savings on to you. But the only trouble is you've got to buy it in bulk, split it in your freezer, but this is the way to save a few quid. And while we're on this, so we'll go on to the braising steak. Again, meat is very good value for money at the moment, so fill your freezer before the prices go up. I feel sorry for these farmers. They're producing this, and I'm telling you, it should be dearer money than this. You're looking at 5, 6 steaks there for a tenner. A tenner for all them braising steaks. Look at the quality. It's £4 in weight, £5.50 a kilo, £2.50 a pound in old money. Absolutely great value for money. Braising steak, wonderful. And this is a very, very popular on this one. We've been selling loads and loads of these. These are your centre leg lamb chops, the jigget chops. All you got is the one little pin bone there. You've got £3 in weight in old money again, which is good value for money. Well over 20 quid's worth a tenner. That's in our freezer section. And this is one, these were done for the supermarkets. We can't say the name because of advertising, but it's got an A, an S. Anyway, we're not going to say. But you're looking at £1.99 a pack for these. Work it out yourself, 6, 7 packs there. Lot of bacon. 14 quid on the tray. We go in a £5. Now this is the way to save money. There's no supermarket in the country compete with us. And this is really good, this one. These are the Blakeman's sausage. Right? There's a pig in every link. And I tell you what, wonderful. Look at these. Meaty pork sausage. Now these are the Butcher's Select one, these are good if you're on a Weight Watchers, on the diet. These are the very high meat content. These are my personal favourite, to be honest with you. Real high meat content, very, very good, these are the Butcher's Select range, but we do the thick pork, we also do a Cumberland, we do a tomato, we do a thin pork, we do a thick pork. It's 3 quid a tray, 2 for a £5, or 3 for 7 quid. If you want mix and match your flavours, a very, very popular sausage. Blakeman's been going for years, great recipe. We've been dealing with them a long time, absolutely fantastic. Sausage and chips with a nice egg on the top, you can't go wrong. Sausage and mash, but try this Butcher's Select one. This is my personal favourite. And again, you've got your Aberdeen Black. And your bacon here, it comes in your packs like these here. Look at that, wonderful. So you've got 14 quid's worth of bacon for a £5. Real good value for money. And while we are looking at it just for a few minutes, we do all your catering packs. Look at this, your best selected bacon. Normally a 10 of these. We're doing these for 8 quid. You know, you've got what you're looking at, £6.60 a kilo for a best bacon there. This is working out at 4 quid a kilo for a selected back bacon. We do all different kinds. We do this beautiful shoulder end bacon. This is very, very tasty. Again, the littler packs there, them are 2 for a tenner. Look at the quality of that one. That's a cracking bacon, that one. Them are 2 for a tenner. And again, you've got all your different ranges here. So all the best, everybody. Have a great weekend. Get yourself down to the Wayne Walker's Butcher's outlet and start saving money today. The supermarkets cannot compete with our prices. Get your freezer full. Come and do your monthly shop. This is what you should be doing, saving a few quid. Call into our butcher shops or mobile butcher shops throughout the country. If you see us on Facebook, you know, they'll get the postcode, put it in, go straight to them. But start saving today. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a good weekend.
Wayne Walker, with quality and value.